Don't let the silent motor fool you. At first glance, the Mugen Super-One looks like it just escaped a GT3 starting grid. With that aggressive black chin spoiler and vented hood, it demands your attention immediately. Look closer at the craftsmanship. Wide fender extensions, carbon fiber mirror caps, and those lightweight 16-inch forged wheels. Mugen has transformed this compact EV into a visual masterpiece that looks ready to hunt down supercars. Inside, the mission is pure racing. You're held firmly by Recaro's semi-bucket seats, surrounded by Mugen-branded floor mats and aluminum pedals. Every touchpoint reminds you that this isn't just a standard electric commuter. But here is the fascinating part. Beneath this race car skin lies a modest 94 horsepower electric motor. It's not about breaking land speed records. Instead, Mugen focused on the feeling of driving, using performance dampers co-developed with Yamaha to ensure every corner feels sharp and alive. To complete the illusion, Honda's active sound control pumps in simulated engine roars. It's a bold statement on style over speed. But tell me, would you take character over horsepower? Let's talk in the comments.
Thank you for joining us on this exhilarating exploration. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay tuned for exciting journeys. Until next time, keep driving, keep dreaming, and keep exploring the boundless horizons of automotive design.